switch it and change it back, where she was putting like in a bowl, using this. And I was like, no, that goes at the end. And I even actually took away the size of the bowl because I believe in the intelligence of the cooks and the readers. And I don't think you need them to get, need to tell them to get a small bowl or a medium bowl. They can tell by the amount of food and of ingredients that they have. And then they can make that decision, whether it's a large or a small bowl. And also it could be that the reader maybe doesn't have a large bowl, so they get a medium one. So that, like all the measuring things, I was like, that's gone. Take it out.
Exactly, like how are you supposed to know what someone has in their kitchen? Their largest bowl might be a small bowl in your kitchen or vice versa, you never know. And so like, there is a little bit of trust you have to have in the reader.
My own, because I do always say large, medium, or small, and the reason that I do that is because even though everyone says, or you always read like, oh, you have to read the recipe before you start to make it. You have to read the recipe before you. People never do that. I don't even do that, or I skim it. And so what I worry about is if I don't say what size bowl, and even though it's a tiny amount of ingredients that you're putting into it, 4 steps later, you're adding 12 whipped egg whites. Yeah. And I worry that if they've done that in a small bowl, they'll be mad at me later when the egg whites are added, and then, oh, I have to get a large bowl. So anyway. And then,
dishes.
yes, exactly, and that is really for me.